Yeah, good evening. So I am done with my Netflix this thing. So just you can see, okay, right there, and is right there, right there. Boom. So basically, like you can see, if you click it, it's going to close that one, open this one, close, and then you see that's how it basically works. So I think I'm done, right? Good. So, but I want to tell you something that, like, I'm going to give you an overview of how I code. Now you can see the open tabs right here. I don't know something, I will go out there and Google it. In fact, let me tell you something. If you notice in the other task I gave you, that your portfolio task, I did something like this there, right? I did something like this. Look at it. I did something like this where you can hear your feedback, right? Now, that means I don't even bother myself to, rack my brain and now what will I do? What did I just do? I went right here to your portfolio. I get it. Look at it. I went right there. I copied the CSS, I copied the HTML, copied the JavaScript. And if you notice, that one is not automatic like this. In the sense that coming like this and then coming like this. You don't get it. That is when you open one accordion and then you open another one, the previous one will close. So now I know basically what you're going to do there is you are going to try to look through it, but I don't even have the time for everything. I get it. I don't have the time for that. So, but I know what to search for, and then after searching for it, I brought up Stack Overflow. Look at it over here. This is what I just need. This is what I copied. Can you get it? That's what I copied. So I copied it and then pasted it in, and my code started working. So also in the case of this thing, in some situation, I had problem and I had to use W3 School. You can say I even made edits. On the on W3 School, trying to look at how it will work. So look at that. CSS background, private editor, and so on. So that's just it. Also, there are some times whereby you will have a problem with maybe a certain section. I get you. I mean, yes, certain area. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This particular area, this particular place, I get in. This particular place gave me problem. I get in. Like I'm trying to, okay, how they put this on this? Actually, you can create it. You can get this position, but it's not working fine with the whole page. So what do I do instead? I just create a new HTML file. I created a new HTML file and then try to create a clean environment. There is nothing there, just it. So that when you're able to create in a clean environment, you can just copy like that and then come and paste. Look at it over here. Look, can you see it? So I just look at that. Can you see? Although I use red background, to just test things out. So I was able to, replicate it, and immediately I got this. Thing over here. What's the next thing to do? Just grab your code, go and put it where you need it, and film. You are done. Again, so that's how you code. If you're having problem that why is this one not working? It might be a problem with a code up for example. Now I noticed that I use images certain percent, so it's really affecting this one here. This is an image. It's really affecting this one here. So, and I didn't know what's going on. So I just okay, let me try at a clean slate. At a clean slate, like open a new HTML document and then try to work it out. So once it works there, when you transfer it back to your this thing, it will definitely work. And if it does not work, then you know that something is interfering with it in your code. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, good luck creating your own Netflix this thing. It's so easy. It's very cheap. I even gave you some expo. I gave you some expo, with this one.